Wit videos. Wit videos.
Dishwashing liquid, or washing up liquid in British English, also known as dishwashing soap, dish detergent, and dish soap, is a dishwashing detergent. It is typically a highly foaming mixture of surfactants with low skin irritation, and it is primarily used in a sink or bowl for hand washing glasses, plates, cutlery, and cooking utensils. Dishwashing liquid has a variety of informal applications in addition to its primary use, such as creating bubbles, washing clothes, and cleaning oil-stained birds. Washing soda, sodium carbonate, is a dishwashing additive that can be used in areas with hard water. Before detergents were invented in Germany during World War I, it was used for dishwashing. The first liquid dishwashing detergent was manufactured in the mid-20th century. In the 1930s and 1940s, manufacturers of dishwashing detergent began production in the United States. T-Pol, the first of its kind in Europe, began production in 1942. Dishwashing detergent retail sales totaled nearly $10 billion worldwide in 2005. Dishwashing detergents for dishwashers are available in a variety of forms, including cartridges, gel, liquids, packs, powder, and tablets. Bleach, enzymes, or rinsing aids may be present in any dishwashing liquid. Some dishwashing detergents are made from natural ingredients such as borax, essential oils, eucalyptus oil, and grated bar soap. Dishwashing detergents can be designed to work in a variety of situations. They can be used with cold water or seawater in some cases if properly formulated, but they will not work as well as those intended for and used with hot water. In conclusion, dishwashing liquid is an essential household item that is used to effectively remove dirt and grime from dishes, utensils, and cookware. It is available in a variety of forms, including liquid, powder, and gel, and can be scented or unscented. When choosing a dishwashing liquid, it is important to consider factors such as the strength of the cleaning formula, the type of dishes being cleaned, and any personal preferences for scent or eco-friendliness. Ultimately, the right dishwashing liquid can make the task of cleaning dishes quicker and more efficient. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.